That grief never left the movie. When the effects team designed Slimer, Aykroyd asked them to channel Belushi's spirit. They gave the green ghoul a gluttonous appetite, a sloppy grin, and an energy that never slowed down. On set, Aykroyd even called him the Belushi ghost. Slimer wasn't just comic relief. He was a haunting, a living tribute to the friend who should have been there. Rewritten as a ghost forever stuffing his face and crashing through walls, Belushi didn't live to suit up as a Ghostbuster. Instead, he became one of cinema's strangest immortals, a ghost who never leaves the party.